yeah, I'm gonna try to get this recorded and upload it to my channel. Alright, so today I'm gonna do my best to record an oil change on the 2012 Camaro V6 engine. As you can see, I got trying to get the glare out the way. I got the change engine oil soon light, oil message. We are at 0% oil life. Usually I try to let it get to 0, but haven't really had time to change it. I changed my own oil. You can see we're sitting at 55,000 miles, 55,426. I bought this car with 12,700 something miles. I've had it for 2 years now, so you can see I've done a lot of driving. For the most part, it's been highway driving. I've driven from DC to Georgia about twice, and then driving into work every day. At one point I was going about 200 miles a week just back and forth to work. Now it's a little better. I don't drive as far. I probably drive about 10-15 miles to work, but it makes a difference. I was going from using a tank of gas a week to half a tank of gas. But yeah, we're gonna get this oil change started. Also, it's of course the V6, but it's manual. Only way to go. All right, so some of the basics: the jack stand, oil pan. I got a filter in here. Old t-shirts, some rags. Actually, if you use old washcloth, they perfect for stuff like this. The oil, going with Pennzoil this time. Usually I use STP, but this was on sale for $17.99, so figured I'd go with this, and it included the filter. Also, with the, I know STP includes they included the gasket with them, so that's why I use their filters. AC Delco doesn't include the rubber gasket, so. But yeah, this is your oil filter. Keep a rubber mat in my car for stuff like this when I'm working on it. You use cardboard, whatever. It's just better than leaning straight on the ground. But make sure your jack is tightened so it doesn't drop on you. But line it up. Line up your jack with this little area right here. It's one in the front and in the back. But thank you. I'm only gonna jack up this side of the car. This plug is on the opposite side. Alright, I put the stand up under there. But yeah, I usually, once I do that, I lower the car enough to rest on the stand, but I still keep the jack under here as well. All right, now let's get started up under the hood. On y'all before I open this up. It's a little dusty under here. It's more than a little dusty, but yeah. It's fall, so damn leaves up under there and everything too. So the right size, pardon my mistake earlier. You can't really see it, but 15/16. This one, take off your oil filter cap. It's a perfect fit. And I'm trying to do this one-handed. this is probably black. It's darker. The filter is black. The oil is actually, as you can see, doesn't look too bad. But this oil has been in here for about 6,000 miles, maybe a little more. I changed it at 49, yeah, so 6,000 miles. All right, so I'm gonna change this filter, change the gasket, the ring, and get back to it. I wish I had somewhere to sit the camera up while I do this. Like I said, I don't have a mount, so this is the best I can do. I got it sitting on top of the oil container. And I mean, it's pretty simple though. You just, I'm trying to do it where y'all can see this as well. It just pops out. It's the old one. Take a little bit of oil. I mean, since my hands are dirty, I'm just gonna use what's in here. Put some oil on there. Just oil both sides. And snap it on. There you go. You can use this. You can use your fingernail actually to get this ring off, or you can use a flathead screwdriver. It's not usually that hard to get it off though. New oil ring. Again, I'm gonna use some of the old oil that's in the pan, so just get some oil on your fingers, put it on the ring, and then slide it in the housing. Make sure you pay attention to where you're putting it at though, because it doesn't go right here. It goes in this one. So it doesn't go right there. It goes up here. Just, I mean, see, as you can see, it will fit right there, but that's not the right spot. Just wanted to point that out. From there, I'll just wipe the oil off the top of it, but that's it. Oil filter change is very, very simple on this car. Very simple. Get some oil in there, screw it back in. That came out pretty good, man. See, we got it all back in here. Get it back in there. The reason for the shirt was to catch the oil. It's gonna drain out the plug, just right here. I always end up having a little bit drip, so figured I'd get the shirt. Like I said in the beginning, I believe it's a 15mm bolt for the plug. Well, 15mm, but let's see if this fits, and then I'll put the pan under here. Yep, perfect fit. So we're gonna be good to go. Hopefully this is a good angle for you guys right there while I try to loosen this. Let's get ready to make a mess. For this car, this drain plug, rather, you can see the gasket is built in. Unless you really have any leaks or it's damaged, you don't have to change it every time. I mean, it's up to you if you want to change it, but me personally, I'm not changing mine this time. Let's wait for this oil to finish and put it back together. Get everything from under there. I'm going to drop it back down and then put the oil inside. Once again, we're going with a Pennzoil full synthetic 5W30. As I mentioned before, I don't have a mount, so or a stand for my camera, so I'm not gonna be able to record me pouring the 5-quart, only because I don't have anywhere to sit the camera at. If I sit it up there, sunlight's gonna be shining into the lens, so I'll just come back once I put it in. Gotta clean up under this engine. It looks even worse on camera. That's it, oil change complete. Once what I'm gonna do is show you guys the inside and just how to reset it. Is extremely simple on this car. So in this car, you go to your oil life, press select. Are you so that you want to reset? Yes. Select again. That's simple. Brand new, 100%.